Hey everyone, welcome back to our daily LeetCode challenge series. So today is day 16 and today we are going to solve the LeetCode problem 11, a container with most water. So this is a medium level problem, and yeah, this is also a famous problem, like most of the companies and interviewer asks in interview in these questions. So let's see like what's the problem statement is. So we have given an integer array height of length n. There are n vertical lines drawn such that at two endpoint of I line and I of 0 and I dot height of I. Okay. So find two lines and drag together with the x-axis from a container such that the container contains the most water. Okay. So return the maximum amount of water a container can store. Notice that you cannot slant the container. Okay. Fine. So in the example one picture itself, like it's quite clear, we have to find that x-axis value, like mostly from the given heights. We have to find that height which will contain like maximum amount of waters, right? So in the input height we have given 186. So basically this is nothing but the height of the given that array. So maximum area can be created using 8 in the left side and 7 at the right side. So using this part we will can store 49 area of the water. Fine. Similar in example 2, let's one simple 1 and 1 is given, so maximum 1 is only present, so area anyways we like multiply using the difference among the height. Okay, and we have to multiply with them, so ideally it will come as 1. Fine. So basically nothing but we will use a two-pointer approach here, which will optimal I guess in this scenario. Okay, so constraint we have n is equal to heights. Sorry. So constraint here we have given n equals to height of that. Fine. And can be lies between 2 and 10 to power 5, and height of I can be 0 and within 10 to power 4. Fine. So we will go through the two-point approach here. Okay, so let's start. So we'll first take and L equal to 0. So our basically left pointer which will be in the left side, and right pointer which will be the in the right side. So right side nothing but height dot length minus 1 as it is 0 index array. Okay, so our 2 pointer is added from first and last side, and we'll take a variable to store our max area. Okay, for now we'll take it as 0. Now we'll start looping, and we'll start here we will use while loop, okay, and not for loop. So we'll check when this left and right is not becomes equal, so left should be lesser than right. Okay, till then we have to check. And now we'll check the area. Okay, and area here we can find using the minimum height, like among the largest and the right one, whichever has the minimum height, that much water we can store, right? So mat dot min will take, and we'll take height of I comma height of dot I, height of left comma height of right. So whoever height is minimum, that much we can take, and we will multiply the difference among these, like how much far it is. So right minus left, so it will give the area. So basically this is nothing but an area formula. Okay, now what we will compare, we'll check here max area is equal to math dot max. So whatever current area we have is the maximum one or the existing one. Okay, so from here we'll store. Now as we have to iterate, like whether left side we need to move or right side we move. So for that condition we'll check here if height of L is greater than height of right. So in this case, if left is our lesser than the right one, so we will move our left, but if left is greater than right, so we will move our right. So here we will move our right, else we will move our left. So whichever is the lesser one, like height is less, we'll move that pointer. So once we reach the same pointer, we will have our maximum area with us, otherwise it will return 0. Okay, 0 means the whatever max area is by default we are setting. Okay, hope this works. Let's try to run the test cases. Okay, so it is giving error index order bound by okay, so we are taking -7, fine. Okay, my bad. So basically from right side we have to like move backward, right? So it should be minus, and yeah, in this case left should be right. Okay, my bad, like I increased, that's why we are getting error. So yeah, here we are getting test case got passed. Let's submit and see. Yeah, it got accepted and all 65 test cases got passed. Yeah, if we talk about the time complexity here, so as we're iterating till n, so it will be big of n, and space complexity anyways we are using constant space, so it will be of big of 1. Yeah, that's all for today, and this is one of famous problems, so you should practice on this one. Yeah, thank you, see you next day.